Hi my dear friends, welcome to Venus EduTech. This video contains the detailed exam pattern and syllabus of IBPS RRB exam. So let's get into the video. Every year IBPS RRB invites application for 4 posts, namely IBPS RRB Office Assistant Multipurpose, IBPS RRB Officer Scale 1, IBPS RRB Officer Scale 2 and IBPS RRB Officer Scale 3. And the difference among them is that in case of office assistant and officer scale 1, there will be prelims and mains, and there is no interview in case of office assistant, but in case of officer scale 1 there is interview. And in case of officer scale 2 and 3, there will be only 2 rounds, that is mains exam and interview. That means there will be only single written examination and then interview. Now let's have a look into the IBPS RRB assistant exam pattern for prelims. And in case of prelims, office assistant, reasoning and numerical ability, there will be only 2 sections. There is no English language section is there. Only 2 sections are there, and that is reasoning and numerical ability, and you can attend either in English medium or in Hindi medium. Reasoning consists of 40 questions of 40 marks and numerical ability also consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. So a total of 80 questions of 80 marks are there, and there is no sectional timing in case of IBPS RRB exam. A composite time of 45 minutes will be allowed to you. So you have to complete these 2 sections within 45 minutes. Now in case of IBPS RRB assistant mains exam pattern, there will be 5 sections instead of 2. Apart from reasoning and numerical ability, there will be additional 3 sections of general awareness, English language and computer knowledge. So we can have a look into it. Reasoning consists of 40 questions of 50 marks, and general awareness consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. Numerical ability consists of 40 questions of 50 marks, English or Hindi. Either language you can choose. So English or Hindi language consists of 40 questions of 40 marks, and computer knowledge is having 40 questions of 20 marks. So you will have a composite time of 2 hours. That means 120 minutes. You have to complete all these 5 sections within this 2 hours or 120 minutes. So this is the overall exam pattern for RRB assistant, prelims and mains. Now going to the officer scale 1 exam pattern for prelims and mains. In case of officer scale 1 prelims exam, there will be 2 sections, reasoning and numerical ability. Like that of the previous one, reasoning consists of 40 questions of 40 marks and numerical ability also consists 40 questions of 40 marks. So a composite time of 45 minutes will be there. Total marks will be 80. So you have to complete these 2 sections within 45 minutes. In case of officer scale 1 mains exam, the exam pattern is as follows. Reasoning consists of 40 questions of 50 marks. Numerical ability consists of 40 questions of 50 marks. English or Hindi language consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. Computer knowledge consists of 40 questions of 20 marks. And general awareness consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. There are 5 sections in case of mains. A total of 120 minutes or 2 hours will be given to you. So you have to complete these 5 sections within that time limit. A total of 200 questions of 200 marks will be there. So this is the overall exam pattern for RRB officer scale 1 prelims and mains. Now going to the officer scale 2 exam pattern. As we have already seen, in case of IBPS RRB officer scale 2, there are 2 categories, generalist and specialist, and consists of only mains exam and interview. So first let's have a look into the officer scale 2 exam pattern for mains exam in case of generalist category. So it consists of 5 sections. There is no prelims, only 1 exam. The single written examination is there, and that is mains exam. Consists of 5 sections, and the sections are reasoning, quantitative aptitude and data interpretation, English or Hindi language, computer knowledge and financial awareness. Reasoning consists of 40 questions of 50 marks. Quantitative aptitude and data interpretation consists of 40 questions of 50 marks. English or Hindi language consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. Computer knowledge consists of 40 questions of 20 marks. And last but not the least, financial awareness contains 40 questions of 40 marks. So you will have a composite time of 2 hours like that of the earlier cases. And a total of 200 questions of 200 marks are there. And this is the exam pattern for our IBPS RRB Officer Scale 2 Specialist Cadre category for mains exam. There is only single written examination in case of Officer Scale 2. And this consists of 6 sections. Apart from reasoning, QA and DI, English or Hindi language, computer knowledge and financial awareness, in the specialist category, it consists of additional section called professional knowledge, which consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. Financial awareness also consists of 40 questions of 40 marks, and computer knowledge consists of 40 questions of 20 marks. While English or Hindi language consists of 40 questions of 40 marks, and reasoning and QA and DI both have 40 questions of 50 marks each. You will have a composite time of 2 hours or 120 minutes, and total questions will be 240 and total marks will also be 240. So this is the overall exam pattern for Officer Scale 2 Generalist and Specialist category mains exam. Now going to Officer Scale 3 exam pattern. It also consists of only single written examination, and that is mains exam. It consists of 5 sections: reasoning, QA and DI, English or Hindi language, computer knowledge and financial awareness. Reasoning consists of 40 questions of 50 marks. QA and DI also contains 40 questions of 50 marks. English language consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. Computer knowledge consists of 40 questions of 20 marks. And financial awareness consists of 40 questions of 40 marks. Here 200 questions will be there and 200 marks are also there. A composite time of 2 hours will be there. There is no sectional timing in case of RRB. Remember that. A composite time, that means you have to complete the sections within that time limit. Now let's have a look into its syllabus, that is IBPS RRB syllabus for all these 4 posts. The topics of reasoning are as follows: alphabet test, analogy, assertion and reason, blood relation, causes and effects, coding, decoding, decision making, direction, figure series, inequalities, odd man out, puzzles, ranking and time, sitting arrangements, statements and action courses, statement and assumption, statement and conclusion, syllogism and word formation. In case of quantitative aptitude, the topics covered are ages, average, data interpretation, decimal fractions, HCF and LCM, number system, partnership, percentage, permutation and combination, probability, profit and loss, quadratic equation, ratio and proportion, simple interest and compound interest, simplification, time and distance and time and walk. The English language covers antonyms and synonyms, clues test, error detection, fill in the blanks, idioms, jumbled words, one word substitution, phrase substitution, reading comprehension and sentence rearrangement. In case of Hindi language, the topics are antonyms and synonyms, error spotting, fill in the blanks, paragraphs, reading comprehension and Vyakaran. General awareness section includes agriculture, banking awareness, banking history, banking terms and abbreviations, books and authors, budget, countries and currencies, finance, fiscal policies, government schemes, national and international current affairs, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, news about RBI or Reserve Bank of India and sports. Financial awareness section covers accords, asset reconstruction companies, advanced non-performing assets, bad loans, bank accounts and special individuals, Basel I, Basel II, budget and economic survey, latest topics in news in financial world, monetary policy, loans, NPS or non-performing assets, organizations deposit credit, overview of banking and banking reforms in India, restructuring of loans and risk management. Now last but not the least subject, that is computer knowledge. It covers the areas of basic knowledge of internet, computer abbreviations, computer fundamentals, computer history, computer languages, database, input and output devices, MS Office, internet, networking, number system and conversions, security tools, shortcut keys and software and hardware fundamentals. While applying for these posts, Please note these three cases. That is, one can apply only for one post under officer scale. You can apply for both office assistant and officer scale, but in case of officer scale, you can apply either for officer scale 1 or 2 or 3. That is, one can apply only for one post under officer scale. And second thing is that there is negative marking for prelims, mains and single written test exams under RRB. Penalty of 0.25 marks will be deducted for each incorrect or wrong answer. And the third condition is that there is a sectional cutoff for the IBPS RRB exam for all the posts. I put a video regarding the exam date of IBPS RRB. I will give you the link in the description box, so go through that video. Also, I put videos on the exam pattern of IBPS clerk prelims and mains, also IBPS PO prelims, both exam pattern and syllabus. I will give you that links also in the description box. Go through those videos. So this is the overall idea about IBPS RRB exam pattern and syllabus. If you find this video useful and informative, click the like button and share the video with your friends who are preparing for bank exams. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video with another useful content. Till then, have a good day and thank you.